pertaining to the long-standing border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam. The local resident of Meghalaya under Raid Marwet on Saturday held a public rally demanding to revoke the recent MoU signed between Assam and Meghalaya. Through the protest rally organized at My Kuli Playground, residents strongly condemned the border settlement based on a decision made by both chief ministers without any proper land verification. The protest was also supported by certain pressure groups including local MDC of Mauhati, Charles Marngar, and traditional chief of Hima Nongwa, Estan Singh Jana, and the village leaders of border area under Meghalaya of Raid Marwet of Hima Milim in Ribhoi district.
Hadus ketri jongko humro ngela ailut chadu gubernur bat ngela pha ro chadu Amit Shah ya kene ka kot kesla hanre hangne ki thom daga bor ya ka khando jong kirit kiria ya kop chiliang sem chiliang ba penlango kalong kumno wat ki chief minister tang arngot kila bansoi kat ya ka MoU ka bade ka hok jong ki ruchinat khando private kene kala penlango bat kala penpau ka ka ba penlong ban yu right do ya ka hok jong ka jaj ban